In the cozy Crossroads Cafe, a crucial debate simmers among four individuals, each representing a facet of the 2024 student loan policies and the divisive topic of total loan forgiveness. Around an old wooden table sits Maria, a graduate weighed down by debt. Ethan, fortunate to have had a debt-free college journey. Mr. Thompson, shaped by disciplined financial decisions. And Alex, who chose the certainty of trade work over potential college debt. The conversation began with Maria, her voice tinged with a mix of frustration and exhaustion. Since the federal student loan payments resumed, it's been chaos. I've been on hold for hours trying to get some clarity on my billing statements. They're all over the place. Incorrect due dates, inflated payments. It's like the system is just not ready for us. Ethan, who had been following the news closely, added, "I read about that too. The average wait times have skyrocketed, and borrowers are struggling without proper assistance. It's a real mess, especially with the confusion over billing." Mr. Thompson, peering over his glasses, interjected, "Cardona's been asking for patience. He's acknowledged the system's broken. I heard only about 60% of borrowers have resumed payments, which is lower than before the pandemic. The government's been trying, though. Despite the Supreme Court striking down the broad forgiveness plan, they've managed to provide nearly $132 billion in relief." Alex, leaning in, noted, "It's a complicated picture, but there are some key dates in 2024 we should be watching, like the new employer retirement benefits under the Secure Act 2.0. Employers can start matching student loan payments with retirement contributions. Could be a game changer for some." As the group engaged in a deeper discussion on student loan forgiveness, each perspective rooted in their distinct experiences. Maria, marked by her struggles, emphasized the need for change. Student debt is a daily battle. Forgiveness isn't just debt relief, it's about correcting a systemic inequity. It's crucial for people like me to have a fair chance at success. Ethan, from a more privileged stance, shared his reservations. "Relief is necessary, but we must consider its broader impact. Forgiveness could be seen as unfair to those who sacrifice to avoid debt. It's about finding a balance between aid and financial responsibility." Mr. Thompson, reflecting on his past of repaying loans, expressed caution. "I empathize with current borrowers, but personal responsibility is key. My journey of loan repayment taught important lessons. Widespread forgiveness needs to be approached carefully, considering the message it sends about financial obligations." As the debate reached its zenith, Alex posited a closing thought. "How do we reconcile the immediate struggles of individuals with the long-term health of the entire system? Where's the balance?" Maria, actively engaged in the conversation, offered a heartfelt perspective as they concluded their discussion. "Before we go," she began, "let's consider a simple and compassionate solution. Instead of the government printing more money, which can make things more expensive for all of us, let's think about canceling student debt. This means students with debt won't have to repay it. The money, once a burden, remains in their hands, helping them buy homes, start businesses, or cover daily expenses. It can boost the economy without the government printing more money, thus causing inflation." The rest of the group turned their attention to Maria, exchanged glances, and shrugged their shoulders. While they may not have been entirely convinced, Maria's heartfelt plea had left them with much to ponder.